Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Celestial Brainrots fast in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots on Roblox. So first, let's talk about the main way to get Celestials. They spawn near the end of the map, right around the area where the tsunamis appear. That means you need to make it all the way to the far end consistently. But here's the catch. You barely get any time before another wave comes through, so speed is everything. If you don't have a high speed, you won't be able to grab a Celestial and escape freely. Now, the key strategy is to wait for the right tsunami. Don't move on very fast waves because you'll likely get hit. Instead, you want to wait for a slow or very slow tsunamis to spawn, then use that window to push forward, grab the Celestial, and reposition. Going back, fast waves create better spacing, giving you a safer gap to move in, but be careful. If there's a wave in front of you and one behind you, you can only move as fast as slower one or you'll get reset. Now here's another big issue. Other players can steal the Celestial from you. So you can look for low population or dead servers with fewer experienced players. Less competition means a much higher chance of keeping what you grab. Another powerful method is trading. You can trade brainrots with other players to get Celestials directly. This is often faster if you have valuable units to offer. A lot of players use community groups and trading hubs to make deals, so that's something you should take advantage of. And that's about it. So combine high speed, smart timing, low competition, and trading, and you'll stack Celestials way faster than most players. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!